Hi viewers, welcome to another informative video on my YouTube channel. Here you will learn how to use Monkey app. So without further ado, let's tell you how to make the most of this random video chat app. First of all, open the app like this. It will give you these two options. Sign in with Google or Facebook. Pick an option that suits you. After that, it will ask you about your basic details, name, date of birth, etc. Quickly get done with it. Then give the necessary permissions to the app to proceed. Now you will be redirected to a screen like this. Tap on Bet to proceed. This will land you on the app's home screen where you have all the navigation options for the app usage. By tapping on this button, you can swipe different profiles. And this is the Messages tab where you have all your chats. Your profile option is on the bottom right corner where you have all your Monkey app account details, such as age, username, etc. Also, on the top right corner, you can see this settings option. Let's access that. Here you can see, there are many options to personalize your Monkey app experience. You can even see the blocked users list from here. Furthermore, on the app's home screen, we have this history option where it shows the history of our activity on Monkey's app. And then there's this 2P mode with which you can chat in pairs, etc. Well, that's it. There's a lot to do with this free-to-use app. You can also subscribe to Monkey Plus to get access to all the more app options. For more such useful videos and internet hacks, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.